Guess what time it is? It's the next treat box. Stay tuned so we can try some treats from a mysterious country. Hello, Culture Eater. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a fabulous day. How am I? Well, I'm a little peckish. I think I need to eat something, and great timing. I just got my next treats box. So this is a monthly subscription box where you get a few treats from a mysterious country. Every different month is a different country, and you only find out when you open the box. So you know I love to try food and cook food from around the world. This is perfect for me. So stay tuned. We are about to open it and we'll see where we are going to try snacks from. Before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now and click that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos to come. I am armed with my scissors, so let's get cracking. Last month, this is my second box. Last month I had some treats from Pakistan, so I'm gonna link up to that right now. Make sure to check out that video afterwards. And I'm so curious to see what this month is going to be. Let's rip the paper apart. And we are going to Russia. We are going to have some treats from Russia today. Wow, that's actually kind of funny because my paternal grandfather is Russian, or was Russian. So that's, you know, kind of has a family connection for me. I'm really looking forward to it. So you always get a couple of cards with the snacks. We'll take a look at that. And they always include a postcard with a famous attraction. So there, it's in Russia. We have the famous building everybody recognizes, which is the St. Basil's Cathedral, and always a little bit of a fact sheet on Russia and things like that. And let's see what the snacks are this month. Let's do a little face and Evelyn snack shot for the thumbnail, always important. Let's see, so we have, let's take these out all at the same time, and then we can take a closer look. There's a stick in my box. I wonder if that's part of a snack or not. Probably not, because it's got a ripped end, so that's a little weird. Got an extra stick of wood. All right, so let's take a look at our various snacks. The first one is Alenka milk chocolate by Krepysh. I'm totally massacring these names for sure, but here is the packaging. And well, it's obviously a little chocolate, so let's give it a shot. 3 little pieces of a chocolate bar. And yeah, well, if it's just plain milk chocolate, I don't think it's gonna blow my mind, but pretty much tastes like regular milk chocolate. It has a little bit of a fruity taste to it actually, which I can't really place. There's like a little fruity note to it. It says that it is Russia's most popular chocolate. So if you like milk chocolate and you're in Russia, go for the Alenka milk chocolate for sure. Next up, we have, let's see if I can zoom in, Kolechki Posolskiye bread rings. So these are like a bit like a pretzel bagel kind of thing. Let's check it out. This is a huge bag of it. Let's see if I can give you a close-up shot. So it's kind of like a pretzel and a bagel shaped round circle at the same time. They taste good. They kind of taste like a bread pretzel, and they're sprinkled with sea salt. And yeah, they make a lovely snack, but can't say it's anything super unusual or out of the ordinary. But definitely something I'm gonna enjoy snacking on. So let's see what's the next treat on the list. So apparently they are famous rooster-shaped lollipops. Don't know why it's so famous for a rooster-shaped. Aha, my stick broke, now I see. It was actually the lollipop handle that broke. But yes, these are called Tot Samiy Petushok. Totally massacring these. They're famous. They are famous rooster-shaped lollipops, and they are hard in texture and sweet in taste, and they are most unique lollipop that I'll ever try. Well, let's take a taste and see. Well, I can't remember the name in English, but in French we do lollipops, which is like a sucre d'orge, which is basically boiling down sugar to like a hard crack, and it gets slightly caramelized, and yeah, it tastes pretty much exactly like that. So it is one of my favorite kind of lollipops. It's very good, but again, I'm sorry to say it's nothing super unique. I'm hoping there's going to be something a little more typical Russian coming soon, because this is turning into just Russian named ordinary snacks. Next up we have what I'm guessing is going to be a chocolate. It's called Ptichye Moloko. Bite-sized chocolate candy with a strawberry cream filling. So that sounds promising. In Pakistan we had some strawberry vanilla creamed cookies. There seems to be a theme here all over the world for strawberry and cream. So we got 2 of those. So it's just a little square individual snack to try. Let's give it a shot. Oh. It's completely white inside. I thought maybe it was going to be pink. It's nice to taste. It reminds me of those broom marshmallows, you know, like a lollipop marshmallow that's like covered with chocolate, like a broom. And I honestly don't taste the strawberry in here. It tastes more like just a cream filling. But I think so far it is my favorite snack from the Russia box. And let's see, we have 2 more snacks to go from the Treats Russia box. We have a, let's see, everything's written on Russian in here, so it's a good thing I have an English translation. It's a iris Krepysh with nuts. These are toffee candy that come from in the form of a bar, and the toffee is embedded with roasted peanuts. That is something that both children and adults love. Well, of course, everybody's gonna love it. And yeah, glad I still have my scissors around to open this one. And here we have the bar. You can really see the peanuts in there. It's nicely loaded. I have a feeling I'm going to like this one as well. I like the texture of the toffee. It's not something that's sticky and stuck in your teeth. It just, you know, easily dissolves in your mouth. And yeah, the peanuts in there, you can really taste them. That's a really nice little snack. I enjoyed that one as well. So the first 2 or 3 were eh, and the last 2 so far a lot more interesting. We have 1 more snack left, and this one is a Korovka wafer sticks with condensed milk flavor. Oh, I do like wafer sticks and different types of snacks like that. There's also a bit of a taste of coffee in there, and there are 2 sticks in the package. So it's kind of like a Twix sticks, but a wafer kind. So I am looking forward to trying this one as well. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know if you're familiar with the coffee crisp, because you don't get them in the US, but you get them in Canada and I think in the UK. But it's a little bit like a coffee crisp, but not really. A little less coffee flavored, a lot more sugar flavored, I would say. But yeah, that's really nice as well. So that is the Russian Treats snack box. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10, this one, because I found it lacked a little bit in originality. And 3 of them were just really average. But the last 3 I did enjoy. It was quite good. I hope that you really enjoyed this Russian box. Let me know what is your favorite treats in everything that I've shown you today. And please check out my link right up now to my blog, to the few Russian recipes I have on there. It's a really wonderful cuisine to discover. It varies greatly from the extreme grandeur dishes to very poor survival cooking. It's, you know, history in Russia has been greatly influenced by food and how much food people can get their hands on or not, or the freshness of it. Actually, on that topic, you might want to check out, I'm going to link up to it now, the book called Mastering the Art of Soviet Cooking. If you like political reads and food, you're going to love this book. It's really interesting. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Why don't you take a wild guess and see which country will be next month? I have absolutely no idea myself. Until then, always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. I will see you very soon with some new videos. Mwah! Have a fabulous day.